Hi there, and today I will teach you how to install Zen Coding in your Notepad++. We have already installed it on Notepad++ latest version. This is our Notepad++. So now you can say we don't have the Zen Coding option, and if I create any file index.html, then if I open Notepad++ reader, then HTML5, if I press Ctrl E in my keyboard, and then show ENQ, and this is not show full code HTML structure. So if I want to show full HTML structure and working shortcode, then always we need Zen Coding. So today I will teach you how to install Zen Coding plugins in your Notepad++ editor. At first we need this plugin unzip. This is the zip file, then we need to unzip. So this unzip, then copy this copy all file, select all and right click, then copy now, and go to your Notepad++ file location, I mean C drive and programs files, Notepad++. This is Notepad++. If you don't have installed, then you need at first install this software. If you do not find the location, then you can check folder from programs files. I have two programs files because I using Windows operating system bit is 64. So if you use 64-bit, then you have two options. So we can go this location, Notepad++. Please see again the location. Open your my computer and C drive and program files 86 Notepad++ folder. Then open plugins folder. Then now paste here, and just right click and paste. Continue. You can select the option, or again and again click continue. So we have done to install Zen Coding plugin. Just open again Notepad++. Open again Notepad++ file. Then we have the option Zen Coding. So again if I try to show full HTML structure and working shortcode, then we can try HTML clone 5, press Ctrl E in your keyboard, Ctrl E, then this is working, and deep main area, Ctrl E, this is working, and this ULLIA from into 10, Ctrl E. Then this working is a shortcut for developing quickly any project. And if you need to shortcut list, then you can search in Google. I will share the folder with here, and just see this video tutorial description. I will share download link. you can search Zen Coding shortcut list, and this is shortcut list. You can see here. I will share the file. You can download this file. Just download. I will share two files in this video tutorial below. Then please check video tutorial description, and I will share this. You can visit our website. This is our website, wp-tutorials.com, and you can see, you can like our Facebook page. So thank you, thanks for watching the video tutorial, and I will show again another tutorial after 2 or 3 days. Thank you.